Well, hello. Here's hopefully a slightly improved review. I have recently moved into a flat in Camberley, and just down the road is a model shop, CBL Hobbies, who are obviously going to be a great sponge for my money. I was in there the other day and I spotted this kit. It's is it made by ICM Models? Not heard of them before. It just attracted me. It's something a little bit different. It's a half-track lorry. Anyway, so without further ado, let's have a look inside the box. I have obviously looked inside, but I haven't actually opened anything yet. Quite an unusual box. You take the lid off and you're confronted with a kind of a pop open box like that. Inside, one bag containing all the parts, which we'll look at in a minute. A couple of destructions and a small decal sheet. Let's just get rid of the box. Anyway, I'll try and show you the decal sheet first. That's all there is to it. Basically registration plates and a few identification marks and how much the vehicle can carry. And a few other things I can't even make out. Tiny little things. I think they may be instrument panel markings. Instructions. Using a phone's not a lot better because you can't get it all in at once. Okay, so you've got colour callouts here are for Model Master paints only that I can see, but it does have the name, so you can probably match them up with other brands. Tells you a little bit about it. It's a KHD S3000/SSM Multi-Air World War II German semi-tracked truck. Reads, the main part of the German Wehrmacht auto part during World War II formed 3-ton cargo trucks. One of the most numerous of them was the KHD S3000, which was produced since 1940 in Klockner Humboldt, Deutz. Before 1938 and after 1945, Megris plant in Ulm. Sorry about my mangling of the German language. This truck was equipped with a 4-cylinder Deutz diesel engine and had rear drive only. The KHD S3000 trucks were widely used in all German arms of service up to the end of the war everywhere. In the Soviet-German front, in North Africa, Italy, France. In off-road condition, not all drive vehicles showed low cross-country capability. So 1,740 of the KHD S3000 were produced as multi-A half-track vehicles between 1942 and 1944. So anyway, overview of the sheets for the sprues. I know you're not going to see it all, but there is quite a few bits not used. So obviously it's a common sprue if you're using the building for a standard truck. Like frames here aren't used. I thought at first maybe I could build it as a standard truck, but they only give you 2 tyres. Link and length tracks, which despite the picture on the box don't let you create much of a sag in them, so whether there was or not, you can see the different frames here to take the half track parts. So construction starts with a basic engine and colour callouts all through. Moves on to the frames, front mud guards, installing the engine, exhaust system, gearbox. Onto the, presumably the rear axle because it's got a differential, or a drive axle, drive shaft, steering components. Assembling the tyres, it does have rubber tyres, axles, the road wheels, idler and drive sprockets. And you move on to the link and length tracks. As you say, really all you've got is individual parts for going around the sprocket and idler wheel. Radiator install, then you work on the cab interior. Yes, one little, as I put it there, got the steering shaft, put the steering wheel on through the cab, that's quite interesting. Cab doors, bonnet, not sure what this piece is. You go onto the load bed, which is a wooden structure, flaps and hoops for a canvas tilt, and lights. It's two colour schemes, one in grey and obviously one in good old Dunkelgleb, which was based in Poland. The other one was in the Ukraine. So I suppose you'd like to have a little look at the kit parts. As you can see, not lying, the bag is still sealed. So starting with this one, you appear to have the engine, radiator fan, sump, bonnet, cab, fuel tank, radiator, and a few other bits which I can't identify. Glad to see the clear parts are separately blagged so they don't get bagged, so they don't get scratched. Two rubber tyres for the front wheels, not really a fan of these like a lot of people, but they're okay. And you've got some leaf springs, the differential, they look like the parts for the front road wheels, because they've got a hub there. Moving on, looks like the parts for the body, all very cleanly moulded, even between the strapping on the side there, you've got rivets. Very, very nice moulding detail. Haven't seen any flash on it anywhere yet. This looks like a double sprue coming up. Parts got the hoops for the canvas body on there, drive shaft. I presume these are road wheels, exhaust, headlamps. And that sprue is identical. And they're not the road wheels because that's the one with the tracks and the road wheels on. Got the sprockets, maybe they're the idler wheels, and the frames. Very nicely moulded, maybe a little bit of a bow in it just there, but I'm sure that's nothing to worry about. Quite tiny track links to deal with. But, looks a very nice kit. I shall probably make a start on this tomorrow and may even film some of it. I'm afraid I'm also going to have to learn video editing to try and improve it, but at the age of 56 it doesn't come easy, all this learning. I still hope to improve on my video presentation further, but anyway, I hope you find this little one interesting, and I have also bought an armoured car kit which I will review and put up at a later date. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Well guys, as far as I know, I've only got two subscribers, one my son and one's Dave from Dave's Model Workshop. Hi Dave, cheers now, bye.